Have you ever heard a bird laughing like a maniac?
Good job!
Meet the kookaburra, the bird that literally sounds like it's laughing at you. It lives in Australia and belongs to the kingfisher family, but instead of fishing all day, it spends its mornings doing what sounds like a full stand-up routine in the trees. That laugh isn't just for fun, it's actually how kookaburras communicate and mark their territory. When one starts laughing, the whole forest joins in, and suddenly it sounds like a jungle comedy club. They eat insects, snakes, small reptiles, and even mice. So yeah, that cute little laugh hides a serious predator. Kookaburras are so iconic in Australia that their call is used in old jungle movies, even in places that had no kookaburras at all. So next time you hear someone laughing in the woods, don't panic. It might just be nature making fun of you. Don't forget to subscribe, fellas.